Hi students. So in analysis of time series topic, today we are going to discuss the least square method or straight line trend method. Okay. So formula for least square method, you see one. Yc is equal to a plus bx. Yc is equal to nothing but trend value. Yc is equal to a plus bx. A is equal to sigma y by n. B is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square. Okay. So in least square method also we have two, even and odd. So today we are going to discuss with the even. See, computation trend values by method of least square from the following data. So here what we have to calculate least square method we have to calculate, and it's very important. 90% examination point of question here. Okay, so here year he has given, okay, 1982 to 1999, and y, this is y month. So this information he has given. Now what we have to do is, once you see computation of straight line trend, first years we have to take, next y, what the information he has given, that one we have to take. Next what we have to do is deviations. What we have to do here, deviation we have to calculate. How to calculate the deviation? Let's see. So how we can say whether it is an even or odd, that one. In case of moving average, directly in the question itself he has given that this is an even and odd, but here we have to count it. See the question mark, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here 8 is there, so it's nothing but even. If 7 is there, odd. Okay, 9 is there, odd. So here it is even. Okay, so after counting that we have to so after counting that we will be knowing that whether it is even or odd. So here it is a even. So year, y, deviation. So how to take the deviation here? So this is the even number. See here 8 na, center 2 you have to take. Center 2, listen carefully, this is a very important point over here. Center 2, okay, leave 3 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇవి రెండు మధ్యలో తీసుకోండి అమ్మ. సెంటర్లో ఉన్న రెండు తీసుకోండి, కింద 3 వదిలేయండి, పైన 3 వదిలేయండి. అదేవిధంగా కింద 3 వదిలేయండి, పైన 3 వదిలేయండి. సెంటర్ 2 తీసుకోండి కరెక్ట్గా. ఈ సెంటర్ లొకేషన్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ 2 తీసుకోండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ పైన ఉన్న దానికి 0.5, ఫస్ట్ ఇది మైనస్ 0.5 పెట్టండి, కింద ఉన్న దానికి ప్లస్ 0.5 పెట్టండి. ఇది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది, అది మనమే చేస్తున్నాం ఇది. ఓకేనా, ఏం చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ డీవియేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే 8 కాబట్టి పైన 3 పోతాయి, కింద 3 పోతాయి. సో సెంటర్ ఇది వస్తుంది. సో దీనికి ఫస్ట్ దీనికి మైనస్ 0.5, దీనికి ప్లస్ 0.5. తర్వాత 1 డిఫరెన్స్, మైనస్ 1.5, మైనస్ 2.5, మైనస్ 3.5, ప్లస్ 1.5, ప్లస్ 2.5, ప్లస్ 3.5. That is deviation. After deviation, next what we have to do, we have to find the x. For finding the x, deviation into 2 we have to do. Deviation into 2. So minus 3.5 into 2, minus 7, minus 2.5 into 2, minus 5, minus 1.5 into 2, minus 3, minus 0.5 into 2, minus 1, plus 0.5 into 2, 1, plus 1.5 into 2, 3, 2.5 into 2, 5, 3.5 into 2, 7. After that x square. This x is then, for x what we have to do, square. 7 square 49, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. Okay, so next what we have to do, we have to total sigma x square and sigma y. Next come into the x into y, x into y, x into y ma. 56 into 7, so minus 392, minus is there na, so minus 392. 55 into minus 5, minus 275. 51 into 3, minus 3, 153. 47 into minus 1, minus 47. 42 into 1, 42. 38 into 3, 114. 35 into 5, 175. 32 into 7, 204. Total. Okay na? Clear? అక్కడ వరకు ఓకే అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మీన్స్ we have to total sigma y, sigma x square and x into y we have to do total. Now what we have to do means we have to substitute in the formula for finding the trend value. Okay, see here, yc is equal to a plus bx. A is equal to sigma y by n. Sigma y, how much we got there, 356 divided by 8. N is number of items, is equal to 44.5. Next b is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square, minus 312 divided by 168. How much we got here, minus 1.857, round it off to 1 minus 1.86. Okay, 7 round in round up chesnama. Now what we have to do is year wise we have to take. What we have to do, year, every year we have, for every year we have to calculate the trend value. Okay, what is the formula here, a we got, b we got. Now what we have to do, after finding the a value and b value, now we have to substitute in this equation. So 1982 82. A is how much ma? 44.5 plus B is how much? Minus 1.86. A plus B x na? So B is how much? Minus 1.86 x. So x is how much for 1982? X is how much here? Minus 7. So minus 7. Okay, now 44.5 plus into minus 1.86 minus 7. Next 44.5 minus into minus plus 1.86 into 7, so 13.02. Add, how much we got here? 57.52 we got. Same for 1983, 44.5 plus 1.86 minus 1.86. We should be very careful in minus 1.86. So 1983 value is how much ma? Minus 5. Value is how much? Minus 5. So substitute here minus 5. 44.5 minus plus into minus 1.86. 1.8 as it is minus 5. Next 44.5 plus minus into minus plus 1.86 into 5. How much we got here? 9.3 is equal to 53.8. Next for same 1984, 44.5 plus B value 1.86. X value for 84, for 1984 X value is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, after substituting, next what we have to do? 44.5 plus into minus 1.86 minus 3. Okay, now what we have to do? 44.5 minus into minus plus. Okay, multiply 5. How much we got here? 5.58. So 50.08. Okay, next 1985 again 44.5 plus minus 1.86 minus 1. X value is how much ma? For 1985 X value is how much? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is equal to, now what we have to do? 44.5 minus into plus minus 1.86 minus 1. So 44.5 minus into minus plus 1.86 is equal to 46.36. Next for 1986, 44.5 plus minus 1.86 and X value. For 1986 X value is how much? 1. Okay, 1. So 44.5 minus into plus minus 1.86, so 1. So 44.5, so minus 1.86, so 42.64. Next for 1987, 44.5 plus minus 1.86, X value is how much for 1987? 3. So 44.5 minus into plus minus 1.86, 3. So 44.5 minus 5.58. 3 into 1.86 is how much? 5.5 minus it. 44.5 minus 5.58. So 38.92. Same for 1988 and 1989. So after getting these values, these values you have to write over here. ఇక్కడ రాయలేదమ్మా, ఆ వాల్యూస్ ఏం చేయండి, ఇక్కడ రాయండి. ఏమేమి వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినాయి మనకి? 57.52. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 53.8. ఆ వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినాక ఇక్కడ వేయాలి. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ ఫైండింగ్ దోస్ వాల్యూస్ డన్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ 53.8, 50.08, 46.36, 42.64. ఓకేనా? So these values from where we got after finding over here. Now here we have to take these values. Okay, Nama? So very important, real 100% expected questions, long question it is. Okay.